Setting up your YouView Box wirelessly is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. Let's walk through the complete setup process to get you streaming in no time. First, power on your YouView Box and wait for it to fully boot up. You'll see the initial setup screen appear on your television. Using your remote control, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Network Setup option, which will allow you to configure your wireless connection. You'll now see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network from the list. The box will scan for all networks in range and display them with their signal strength. Enter your network password using the on-screen keyboard or your remote control. Make sure to enter it exactly as it appears, including any capital letters or special characters. Once you've entered your password, the YouView Box will automatically test your connection speed and stability. This ensures your internet meets the minimum requirements for streaming. For optimal performance, ensure your router supports 802.11n with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, or preferably Wi-Fi 6 for the best streaming experience. The YouView mobile app can provide additional setup assistance and remote troubleshooting. Download it from your device's app store for convenient remote control and setup support. Finally, ensure your network uses WPA2 or WPA3 security for a secure connection. Recent firmware updates have streamlined this entire process, reducing setup time significantly. Your YouView Box is now successfully connected to your wireless network and ready for streaming. The setup process is complete, and you can begin enjoying your favorite content. When your YouView Box wireless connection isn't working optimally, several common issues could be the cause. Let's explore the most frequent problems and their solutions. The most common issue is weak Wi-Fi signal strength, affecting about 23% of installations. This typically occurs when the router is too far away or there are obstacles blocking the signal. The solution is to either reposition your router closer to the YouView Box or use a Wi-Fi range extender. The optimal placement is within 10 meters, and extenders can effectively double your coverage area. Network interference is another major cause of poor performance. This includes co-channel interference from neighboring Wi-Fi networks, adjacent channel overlap, and interference from non-Wi-Fi devices like microwaves and wireless phones. Enable automatic channel selection on your router to reduce interference by 35%. This feature automatically finds the clearest channel and adapts to changing network conditions throughout the day. Regular firmware updates are crucial for optimal performance. Check your YouView Box monthly for updates and ensure your router firmware is current, as 8% of older routers require updates for best performance. For households with multiple devices, configure quality of service settings on your router. This prioritizes streaming traffic for your YouView Box, ensuring stable performance even when other devices are using the network. With these optimizations in place, you should achieve excellent wireless performance with your YouView Box. Properly configured connections maintain 99.2% uptime and support stable streaming even with multiple devices active.